Hello, this is an AtlasHR tutorial on submitting a new tax withholding form. So if something has caused your tax filing status to change and you need to submit a new form, you'll start by clicking the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner here. And in the My Info menu, there's actually two ways to get to it. You can get to it through the My HR section or the My Pay section. We'll go through My Pay. We'll click on the Forms menu, and then within Forms, we'll click on the Withholding menu. So what we see now are our two existing forms. So I can see my North Carolina withholding form and my federal W-4 withholding form. So if I wanted to view those and see what I was currently withholding, I could click the pencil to jump into either one of those. I'll go ahead and add a new W-4 now. So I'm going to click Add New in the upper right-hand corner here. And I will click the Add button next to the federal W-4. So I would just enter in whatever information was changing, if it was marital status or dependent information. And when I'm done, I'm going to click on Submit. So I click Submit. It's going to prompt me for my password, which is me digitally signing the form. I click I agree, and then I am done. And I can click back and see I have a new form out here, but it is still just listed as employee completed. So your HR department or your supervisor has gotten a notification saying that you've submitted this, and they will need to go in and process this change in order for it to take effect on your actual paycheck. So if you come out here and see that it is still listed as employee completed, that means that it has not been processed yet. So that concludes our AtlasHR tutorial on submitting new withholding forms. Thanks.